EAE is the name for EcoStruxure Automation Expert. Let's see in detail what is EAE. Well, the software is always related to the platform. For different kind of PLCs, you need to develop different program language and different applications. You cannot move one application for one kind family PLC to other family of PLC. Even inside the same company, you have the problem that you have new programming structure in the new PLC that is not fully compatible with the other one. For instance, I cannot use a Siemens S5 code in a Siemens S7 or Siemens S1500. It's even in the same family, but it's not only Siemens. All the companies had the same problem. The idea with EAE, the idea for universal automation is to define a new standard in the programming that allow you this portability of different programming between different platforms, different software. Like you have mobile apps in one Android, and you have, I don't know, what brand of the phone, and you get a new phone, and you copy automatically all your apps. You have all the functionality, all the information, everything. You have only changed the device. That is the idea from EAE. Of course, this idea should have some break some innovation barrier, some managing multi-supplier, attracting talent in order because it's more modern and more oriented in the future, and of course the reuse of the software mainly. The idea for universal automation to define this new standard worldwide is something that had this universal automation is one association for different companies, because the challenge is so big that one single company could not develop and could not have success in order to, let's say, orient the future in the automation worldwide in only one direction. The idea is to work together different companies in order to move and to allow this kind of benefits and positioning. We have here some benefits for the end user and additional some other benefits from the vendor. Well, at the end, for this new strategy, for this new approach for portability, universal automation has defined a new standard, IEC 61499. That is the new standard in the developing of the application. They allow you this kind of portability. Any device that is running or accomplished with this standard allow you this kind of software portability. This kind of structure of the new standard allow you to have self-contained software component, decoupling application software from the hardware, and allow you distribution of software in different component devices. And of course, allow you to use a plug-and-play device in the hardware independent. Here is some information about the companies that are working in the universal organization. We have here vendors, we have here users and academics, institutes, startups, companies they are promoting. That is a little bit 3 months old information. If you are going to the web page, probably there are some additional companies because it's continuously is joining new companies in this universal organization. Well, and then EAE is the solution they had developed Schneider based on this standard, on this IEC 61449. That is the first universal automation product. This offers you the portability for the software in the different devices, not only running on Schneider PLC with any other device that is compatible. And here we have some example of how is one architecture simple for a basic meal reception unit with EAE. We are here the PID on the right side, and here on the left side is how is physically the solution, the architecture for the solution. And here are the different modules that we have here. This module is the equipment management, the transfer management. All these blocks they are really portable for one device to the other devices without any kind of additional programming or changing. Okay, that was EAE, information what is the IEC, and right now what is ProLeiT into EAE. Well, ProLeiT had a big experience in process control and batch orchestration layer but we are always based traditionally in the old approach, PLC programs. And right now, the idea was, here we have a lot of modules with a lot of MS functionality. I think almost everybody knows here the information about ProLeiT. We can deliver this kind of complete functionalities. But this word functionalities was always applied to the traditional PLC-based programming. The idea is to mix both words to get the best of the both words. In one word, we have this optimized cost for Automation Expert in order to build modernized plants, portability, all the benefits this new standard delivered to the customer and to the companies. In the other side, the idea is to complement these benefits with the all benefits the ProLeiT have based on process knowledge, automation, experience, and technological knowledge embedded into the solution. We want to combine everything in the ProLeiT on EAE. And then we have achieved. We have developed all the modules from ProLeiT, and when I say the modules, the classes is the typical valve, pump, sensor, any actuator, but even the technological objects like storage units, sequence, phase controller, recipe, material management, etc. We are everything created here on the PLC platform will be made on EAE approach, EAE technology, and we are using here all the standard functionality. That allows us to treat EAE as a new platform with all the functionalities we have already in any Plant IT or BRIMAC solution. We can see here, this approach is to be full independent of the platform, and we can allow here to use this kind of approach for Automation Expert to develop the application. We have here some benefits that this apply offered to our customer. We have here efficiency, profitability, sustainability, reliability, safety and secure, even the portability, of course. And we have here some brief example of the topics. We have here one tanks, one line, some pumps, and this is the typical visualization on ProLeiT software. And we have here how is this on the software, on the software blocks into the EAE. We can see here are the real EAE objects are created. We can here, which is the relationship, the same system allow us to use the standard functionality for ProLeiT to parameterize, to consider, to generate new EAE object on the solution. That is the complete functionality of flow for information between the controller on EAE and the managing of the operation with ProLeiT. In this case, the faceplate, when I put one valve in order to go manual, how it's going everything, basically. And of course, they are not only theory. We have some small reference at the moment. And we have here a small Pico brewery running fully on EAE solution at the moment. That was the short introduction. I don't know if anyone has any question.